Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Civil Ka Adda 1M. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Civil Ka Adda 1M and hit the bell icon to get the notification. So those who are new to my channel, in this channel I would like to explain the various civil engineering topics and civil engineering competitive important MCQs and civil engineering subjects like DSS, DRCS, concrete technology, building materials, etc. And so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Civil Ka Adda 1M. In this video, I would like to explain the classification of bricks. So what all the various classification of bricks are there, and we'll see the each and every classification, and even that not only that, even we are going to see the important things of bricks. So classification of bricks. So the important things of the bricks which you can even expect in the competitive exams are the standard size of bricks are. So they may ask in question in the standard size of brick. An option 19 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 9, 19 by 9 by 8, 19 by 9 by 7, 19 by 9 by 6, like that. So the option is 19 centimeters by 9 centimeters by 9 centimeters. So the standard size of bricks are 19 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter or 19 centimeters by 9 centimeter by 4 centimeters. So both are the standard size of bricks. So the specific gravity of bricks is about 2. So the specific gravity of bricks is 2. So the number of bricks required for 1 cubic meter of brick masonry are. So this question also, if you see the various previous AEE questions or AE questions of civil engineering, you can find this question. So manager or deputy surveyor or surveyor. So you can find this type of question also. The number of bricks required for 1 cubic meter of brick masonry are 550. So these are the important points. So we'll move to the classification of bricks. So the classification of bricks, the bricks are classified as the following. So the first classification is first class brick, second class brick, third class bricks, and jumbo bricks or fourth class bricks. So the bricks are classified into these 4 categories: the first class bricks, second class bricks, and the third class bricks, and the fourth class bricks or jumbo bricks. So we'll see the first class bricks now. So which type of bricks are known as first class bricks? So that we are going to see. So the first class bricks. So these bricks are well burnt, having smooth and even surface. So this classification will have the well burnt and smooth and even surface with perfect rectangular shape and uniform reddish color. So this type of bricks will have the perfect shape and it will be burnt perfectly, not overburnt or not underburnt, and it will have the uniform, the brick color, the reddish color. And these bricks should not absorb water more than 20% of its own weight after 24 hours immersion in water. So this is also one of the important MCQ in interviews or in competitive exams. The first class brick should not absorb water more than dash of its own dry weight after 24 hours immersion in water. So it is 20% for first class bricks. So it should have a minimum crushing strength of 10.5 kilonewton per meter square, and this is the perfect shape of the first class brick. So rectangular edges with uniform reddish color. So it will be in uniform reddish color and smooth and even texture and surface. Good quality of bricks. So moving to the second classification. So that second class brick. So which type of brick is known as second class brick? We'll see that. So these bricks are slightly overburnt. These are not perfectly burnt bricks. These are somewhat overburnt than the required. So these bricks are slightly overburnt, having rough surface and not perfectly rectangular in shape. So this will not have the proper edges. So the edges will not be proper and rectangular shape as we have seen in the first class brick, and this surface is also rough. So whereas in first class brick it is like smooth texture, smooth surface. So whereas in this second class brick it will have the rough surface, and these bricks are overburnt than the required. So these bricks should not absorb water more than 22% of its own dry weight after 24 hours immersion in water. And this is the second class brick. It will be much more darker also. So as it is overburnt, the different bricks you can see. So the bricks will be darker and the edges will not be properly in rectangular shape. So these bricks are somewhat overburnt than the first class bricks. So now moving to the third class bricks. So third class bricks. So these bricks are not perfectly burnt. It is not perfectly burned, which means it is underburned. So whereas in second classification, that is second class bricks, the bricks are overburned. So here it is underburned. It is not burned properly till the required stage. So these bricks are not properly burned in the kiln, and hence these are soft and can be easily broken. If this brick is strongly burnt till the required stage, then the brick will be in a strong position. It will be strong, it will have the strength. So if it is not burnt till that stage, it is underburned, then the brick will be soft. It will not have that much strength than the perfectly burnt brick. So obviously the strength will be less for this brick, and these bricks will be very soft and can be easily broken. So these bricks should not absorb water more than 25% of its own dry weight after 24 hours immersion in water. So when we are immersing the brick into the any bucket or any immersion water tank, curing tank, so after 24 hours this brick should not absorb more water than the 25% of its own dry weight. So these are the third class bricks, not perfectly edged, not proper shape, and the color also, if you see, it is not properly burned. So this will be soft and these bricks are easily broken. So if you see the sides also here, it are easily broken. So moving to the last class brick, that is fourth class brick or Jamma brick. So these bricks are overburnt with irregular shape, and these bricks are dark bluish in color, and see here. So it is overburnt, somewhat like bluish blackish color. So these bricks are overburnt, so it will have somewhat blackish shade and dark shade, and these bricks are overburnt and it will have the irregular shapes. So if you see the shapes also, it is irregular shapes. So half, quarter, half, so it is like not completely in a proper shape. So this are the various classification of bricks. So first class brick, second class brick, third class brick and Jamma brick, and we have seen what are the various types of classification of bricks. So thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M, and don't forget to share to your friends. Thank you all.